Hello, this is your old math teacher, Darrell Presley, and I am here to talk about conditional probability from a table. I hope you're having a good day. The goal is that we go over a problem or two of this, and then you try a few Delta math problems that look very similar. So conditional probability means based on. So like if I was to ask for all football players in my class, uh, if they were wearing tennis shoes, I might say, okay, given that you're a football player, how many of you have on tennis shoes? I would separate the football players first, then I'd look at their shoes. So I wouldn't be asking the whole class. I would only be asking those football players. So in this problem, I have a group of people who have sisters and brothers, or maybe don't have sisters and brothers. So it says in a class of students, the following data table summarizes how many students have a brother or a sister. What is the probability that a student has a sister? And here's the important part, given that they do not have a brother. So I'm not asking the whole class. I'm only asking those, and I'm going to use some highlights here to help. I'm only asking those people who do not have a brother. So look, and here's do not have a brother. There are 6 and 8 people for a total of 14 people who do not have a brother. I'm only looking those 14 people. So it's like I have the whole class here, right? Big class, but I'm only looking at a little part of that class. I'm looking at of these 14 people, what part has is the part that I need. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to like zoom out. So if we just look at just those 14 people, so this is a total of 14 people. Then I'm asking what little part of it, like that, what little part of it has a sister. Now, they want them to have a sister. So sister only, no brother. Sister only is 6 out of all the people who don't have a brother. So there's 6 people out of 14 that meet this probability. So of just the people who do not have a brother, so I'm going to put no bro is on bottom. And on top is I have a sister. All right, so of those 14, only 6 work. And then if I take 6 over 14, it reduces to 3/7. And so my answer is 3/7. Okay, so you see how we just ignored these people. We just flat ignored them. We only looked at the do not have a brother. So if you see the word given, it's a giveaway. They're separating. Now, sometimes they don't give you that word given. So let me double check. Yep, we got one more problem, but this one doesn't say given. So we got to be a little more careful. Got another class of students. Following table summarizes how many students passed a test, so they either passed it or failed it, and completed the homework due the day before. Completed homework, did not complete homework. What is the probability that a student who completed the homework failed the test? Oh my goodness. So it's like we're saying, if you did your homework, what is the probability that you failed the test? So if and then. So, okay, and I'm going to do what I did a while ago with my picture because that seemed to help a little bit. We got the whole class, right? But only a little part of them, let's see, what is it? Completed the homework. Completed the homework would be these people. So 18 and 6 gives me 24. 24 of the people in this class completed their homework. So that's the condition. That's like the given. If is like given. You almost might say equals here. That's my given, who completed the homework. Then went on to fail the test. Remember, homework comes first, and then you take the test later. Well, first of all, how many completed the homework? 24. Well, let's zoom out on those 24, or zoom in on those 24 people that did the homework. And let's zoom in closer and say, okay, of that little group, how many failed the test? 6. 6 failed the test. So what I'm going to do is 6 divided by 24. Remember, I don't even look at these people. I don't care about if you didn't. I'm only looking at the people who completed their homework. So homework completers, 24. Of them, 6 failed. So we would write 6 over 24. Why? Because that's failed, but that's given that they did the homework. Okay, so we're only looking at the homework people. So 6 of them failed. Now, if I reduce that, it reduces to 1/4. So I would type in 1/4 in my calculator. I'm in computer. Okay, so givens. Givens kind of separate. And so you have to maybe even physically think, just, like ignore the ones that are not given. All right, well, I hope you have a good day. You can email me. You can check into my Google Meet. You can put up smoke signals. No, I can't do that. But anyway, please let me know if you have questions, and I hope you have a good day. Bye, y'all. I miss you.